you're with me at Happy Space with Disha, and every time I bring on this channel different types of laughter, different inputs on laughter. So today is a World Emoji Day, and of course we all know how emojis play a very beautiful role in our conversation. I mean the virtual and the telephonic conversation, the messaging chat conversation, and these days of course emojis have really played a big role. So I have a gratefulness towards this, and I'm combining a emoji day with a silent laughter. Imagine yourself with making there's no noise. It's an emoji day, remember? You gotta do it with me right now. Silent laughter, when we do the silent laughter, there is no noise. So this chakra is getting a mild. At the same point of time, we have opening of our heart chakra, input of more oxygen, which leads to circulation of a very good hormones and the blood systems. So when we do the silent laughter, also our nervous systems get lots of positive dosage, which is also required in our well-being. So once again, we'll try emoji and don't make noise this time. Are you doing it the same way I am doing? What more emojis can you relate and you can connect with? Do put that in the comment box so that we and I can also know कि और क्या emojis laughter किया जा सकता है. With that, keep laughing always.